Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and today let us review the Bank of America Platinum Plus Mastercard Business Credit Card. So this one right here is a no annual fee, as you can see, credit card designed for small business owners who want a simple financing tool rather than rewards. So it offers a competitive 0% introductory APR on purchases for the first 7 billing cycles, then a variable of APR of around $18.49 or up to 26.49 variable APR. While it doesn't earn rewards like cashback or points, it does provide useful business perks like travel and emergency assistance, auto rental insurance, and fraud protection. It's best suited for businesses looking to manage short-term expenses to consolidate debt without paying interest early on.